Hi guys, it's Jamie with Not Too Shabby, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of this new Altenew watercolor half pan set. So I thought I'd try my hand at watercoloring. So this is going to be the first time I'm watercoloring with pans. I've watercolored with the watercolor markers and the watercolor pencils, but I have not done the pan set. So I'm trying not to ruin my nails. I just did my nails. So it's going to take me a little bit to get this box open. I can never sit still and let my nails dry. See, I already ruined it. So who else is like that? Alright, let me try and get this box open. Okay, it comes in plastic and it has its own tin. It has the little ring finger on the bottom, so if you want to hold your little pan while you're watercoloring so it doesn't fall, you can do that. Very nice, pretty pan. It's metal, so we've got the little palette on the inside for mixing colors, and then there's a piece of foam in there for shipping purposes. And then we've got these little pans, so I think we have to take them out and take out the top here, this little sticker. So let's see how we should do that. It does say the color on the side. I kind of want to keep that color on the side. So maybe I will just cut that and put it back. So that gives me an idea of what the color is later on. So that's Fall Harvest. And then just snap right back in there. So I'm going to work on taking the little labels off, and then we'll swatch out some colors. They also have the names on the side printed right onto the plastic. Okay, I've written out all the colors on some watercolor paper, and I've taken all the labels off of my little pans here. And I have some water brushes. So this one here is a new one that I've bought. This one looks like it's going to hold a lot of water, and this is what it's called. I got this one at Michael's. And then I have some other brushes that were in my stash, different shapes and sizes here. And I have my water. I have 2 jars of water, so I can have a clean water to rinse out my brush. So I'm just gonna lay these out so we can see what the colors look like, and then when I go to color, I have an idea what colors I want to use together. So the pure white obviously is going to be just white, so you're really not going to be able to see this. I think I'm supposed to mix them in the pan. So let's see, Packet Full of Sunshine is next. I don't know, do I have to do that now and mix it with water? See, I don't even know how to watercolor, guys, but I am going to try this and just have fun with it. And I do have these in the shop, so if anybody else wants to learn how to watercolor with me, the link will be down below to the set. I have this as a bundle with the metallic, and I also have See, I don't even think I'm doing that right. I see when people do the swatches, they start off dark and fades into the light, but I'm not sure how to do that. Let's see, let me show you the other watercolor sets that I have. I have this one, which is the Vibrant Smooth 36 half pans. Lots and lots of colors in here. And then I have this set that also comes with the metallic watercolor set, and you get a little discount for getting that bundle. But at least I'll have the colors down on the paper so I have an idea what color, what they look like. So let's do Summer Afternoon. Now we've got Fury Sunset. And I really like the colors in this palette. There's a variety of like landscape colors, which I really like. You got your sunset colors, your sky colors, your grass colors, some like mountain colors, tree colors. So I really like that. So the next one here is Warm and Cozy. They're very rich. Oh, my hand's like totally in the way. Let's make sure we are focused. Okay, Tea Party. Pretty red color. I'm going to put my water on this side so I'm not reaching over. I think that'll help. Red Cosmos. Red Sunset. I think it just takes a little practice to get that gradient effect. Cherry Blossom. Okay, I'm starting to get the hang of it. I'm seeing a little variation. Shades of Purple. I'm not sure what that one says. Lapis Lazuli? It's a blue color. Now you can mix colors to make your own colors, which is nice. Got Deep Blue Sea. So what is your favorite watercolor paper to use? Leave it in the comments box because I'll probably be on the hunt for some paper. I like this paper. This is the Canson watercolor XL paper, but I don't like the color of it. It's got a yellow tint to it. This one is Crystal Water. Ooh, that's pretty. Starry Night. Ooh, that's a nice deep blue. That's beautiful for your night skies. Cool Summer Night. Ooh, that's pretty too. Ooh, I can imagine some really nice backgrounds. Definitely. So, Seashore is the next one. Now this is a bluish green. Green Meadows. Green Hills. That one's really pretty. Tropical Forest. It's a greenish yellow with a lot of yellow tint to that one. Next one is Rainforest. We've got Fall Harvest. Delectable Delights. Coffee Break. That's my kind of color right here. At pure white, you can't even see it. It is pure white. Rock Collection's the last one. And that's your black. You can fade it out to a gray color. Okay, so that's done. That's kind of fun. So I will be working more with these watercolors. I'm excited. I think I'm going to color up this image here. This is the Hero Arts Florals Magnolia. It's a simple flower. Looks like it needs some watercoloring. So I'm going to use this. This is in my clearance section. So if you want to check out the clearance section, there's some great stamps in there. So I'm going to do that. Also, there's another stamp that I want to do. Altenew has some beautiful floral stamps too. Here's one. Exotic Garden. Yeah, I have, look at my Altenew section. We've got a lot of florals in there. This one, New Beginnings. Perfect for watercoloring. And so I'm going to work on something and I'll be back with a new video. So thanks for stopping by and checking out my new watercolor set. I'm excited to play. So have a great week, guys, and I will talk to you real soon. Bye, guys.